that how can I be a part of the Digital Tukandar program? By I mean you, okay, the person. Jumana Nadine has asked this question. So, okay, now before you become a part of the Digital Tukandar program, I would highly recommend you to go through the 5-day Ecom Freedom Challenge. Now, what is the 5-day Ecom Freedom Challenge? The 5-day Ecom Freedom Challenge is a 5-day workshop which comes to like $500. And in this workshop, we teach you how to go live with your e-commerce business. The videos are pre-recorded, which means that time is not really a constraint. So you can see it with your job or with your business, whatever it is. You spend 1 or 2 hours on your business. So like in these 5 days, every day we give you a video. On day 1, we teach you how to have the right mindset, how to set your goals, how to buy a domain name, which domain name you should buy, how to come up with a domain name, how to create your logo. On day 2, we teach you how to set up your store in 30 minutes or less, without any coding experience using Shopify. On day 3, we teach you how to find winning designs from the internet that you could sell on your store. That you could get modified, or finding products, finding designs that you can get, that you can get a designer to model. By getting something similar and better created and selling them on your store. Getting them created and uploading them on your store and then selling them. On day 4, we teach you how to go live with your Facebook ads. Okay, from the basics to going live, interest targeting, ad copies, all of that on day 4. And on day 5, we teach you how to automate the entire fulfillment process. By the fulfillment process, I mean that when you're going to be doing POD, you are not going to be taking care of the delivery manufacturing. There are delivery partners, there are fulfillment partners out there in US, UK, Australia, Canada, and what we teach is all international. We don't teach POD in India, we don't recommend it. So on day 5, we teach you how you can automate that process. By automation, I mean you get an order and your fulfillment partner will automatically print it and ship it, and that's it. Your job is done. Your job is going to be marketing your designs, marketing your store, and taking care of the customer support and all of that. Okay, so this is what we covered on day 5. Now for just 499 rupees, okay, that's like nothing in comparison in comparison to the value that you get. Now in these 5 days, you're going to realize, you're going to understand that if the POD business is a good fit for you or not. Because बाहर से सबको अच्छा लगता है कि यार ठीक है, इनकम है, पैसे कमा सकते हैं, लोग स्क्रीनशॉट्स देखते हैं, लोग देखते हैं मैं वो कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, अच्छा है, बढ़िया है. बट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि आपको समझ भी आए वो चीज़, और आप कॉन्फिडेंटली अपने आप को ये बोल सको, यार आई रियली वांट टू डू दिस, मुझे समझ आ रहा है, एंड समझ नहीं भी आ रहा, मुझे समझना है इस चीज़ को, फिर आप आगे जा सकते हो, राइट. सो क्या होता है ईकॉम फ्रीडम चैलेंज में, जब हम पूरा चैलेंज खत्म हो जाता है, जो प्रॉमिस हमने किया है वो हम डिलीवर कर देते हैं. डे 5 में एक पॉइंट आता है 1.5-2 घंटे बाद, जो सेशन हो रहा होता है मेरे साथ डे 5 में, कि नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम प्रोग्राम के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. तो उस पार्ट में प्रोग्राम के बारे में बात करते हैं कि यार आपके लिए ये गुड फिट है या नहीं, हमारे लिए आप गुड फिट हो या नहीं, और फिर आप उसका पार्ट बन सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई से, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वुड रेकमेंड. इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी बिन अ पार्ट ऑफ द ईकॉम फ्रीडम चैलेंज, बट यू स्टिल एंड नाउ यू वांट टू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ द डिजिटल दुकानदार program, send me a DM. I'll connect you to someone from my sales team, or I'll share the next steps with you, and then we can have a conversation. You and us can have a conversation, and then we can see if you're a good fit for each other, and we can help you enroll in the Digital Tukandar program. Thanks for asking. And if in case guys, if you guys have this query about the Ecom Freedom Challenge or the DD program, send me a DM. Cheers.